Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a mining system in Roblox Studio. So the first thing we're going to have to do is get a pickaxe. So yeah, I'm going to be starting a new series on how to make a mining system. So you should be excited for this. But also guys, I'm going to be discontinuing the FPS framework series. I'm kind of sorry for that because a lot of people some people want me to make a secondary weapons, but yeah, I'm gonna be discontinuing that. Yeah, we're just gonna be. So what I'm gonna do is just instead, I'm gonna do something different. But for today, I'm just gonna be making a pickaxe, a mining system. So pickaxe. I'm gonna get a pickaxe in here. Let's grab one, and so I'm just gonna take both of these, put them in here. So I guess no, let's don't use this one. This one is hard. Let's get this one and remove all these things. So this is gonna be my pickaxe. So let's go and put that in starter pack and let's run the game. And yeah, I think this looks fine. So now we're going to create the animations for it. So we're just gonna get the block rig and start animating. So I'm gonna put it inside of the tool and like this. And we'll create the, I don't know, swinging animation. Okay, so I'm just going to animate it and make it look like that the arm is being animated. Have like an animation. So the first thing I'm gonna do is make the arm raised in the air like this. Just like this. It should be like this. And then in the second frame, we're going to make it look like it's going this way, and also putting it like that, down like that. I don't know how this is gonna look like, but and I'm also gonna be rotating the torso a little bit. Okay, I'm just going to set it back to its normal position. So I'm just gonna copy this and paste it right here. Okay, I think this is usable. Okay, we can use this. And now we're just going to publish this. We're gonna call this a swinging animation. Copy the asset ID, and then this is what we're gonna be using for our thing, for the animation, for the tool. So yeah, that's our animation saved. So what we're gonna do is create a remote event inside of replicated storage. Call it mined. So this is gonna be the mined event. So we need to go inside of our pickaxe and create a local script. And yeah, we're gonna call this the main script. And let's start. So let's get the player, the tool, script.parent, local player equals game.players.local player. Local mouse equals player get mouse. Tool, let's run tool.activated, connect function. And right here, what we'll do is, let's have an object for us to mine. So I guess like this. I think this will be pretty simple. So you can make this whatever you want. I'm just gonna make like a, grass object. So I'm gonna call this grass, and Wait, instead of doing this, how about if I just grab some grass like this? I'm just gonna take one of my grass models from the toolbox, and I'm just going to scale this. Make it seem like a block. Okay, so this is gonna be my grass, and let's go and also create a debounce. So we need to have some debounces in here. So we have to have a wait time equals 0.1 or whatever you want. I'm just gonna do 0.5 is fine. Local debounce equals false. So what we wanted to do is if not debounce, then debounce equals true. So this is what we're gonna have in the code. So it will be laid out like this. So we inside of here we want to have a we want to have some stuff here. So we want to make it look like that the grass is being like getting removed. So we're just gonna say game if no, well, let me think. Tool dot handle dot touch connect function hit, and we're just going to say local hit. No, don't do that. If hit dot name equals grass, then so we're gonna have multiple if statements for these. So here what we're gonna do is hit dot parent is equal to game dot replicated storage. So let me just see if this works. Okay, so if it hits some grass, then we want to wait after 2 seconds. Hit dot parent equals game dot replicated storage. So that's I think that let me just test that right now. Yeah. Another thing that I'm gonna do is set tool dot deactivated is equal to colon connect function, and then I'm just gonna say make a new thing called touch. So we're gonna need a variable called touch connection. So each touch connection equals tool dot handle dot touch connect function hit. So touch connection colon disconnect. So whenever we stop clicking, we want to disconnect the function. So as you see here, we mined it. I don't think we should have 2 seconds here. Wait, let me think about something. Okay, so this basically what this does is it basically mines it. And let's actually add our animation. So let's go and load it. So local animation is equal to game. No, we want to actually create a new animation in here. Animation object. And paste our animation, and we're gonna call it the swing animation. So local animation is equal to tool wait for child swing animation. Right here, and then right here just say local and a swing animation is equal to player dot character dot humanoid colon load animation, and then just say animation. And then whenever we say swing dot colon play, so like this. And how about let's just do it in here just like this and then colon play. I think this will work better actually. So let's go and play this and see how it works. And it looks like we did something wrong with the animation. You're wondering that like it does nothing. So to fix that is to go into the animation editor, and when we do this, we should go and set the animation priority to action. And then let's upload this again. Okay, so then when you get your new animation, just paste it into there, into the swing animation, and then now it should work. So as you see here, our animation works. So I think we should create a GUI of how much we have got into the, you know, the block. So let's go and create a I don't know, pickaxe, no, mining GUI. So we need to have a bar on the bottom. So let me create a text label, and we're gonna be scaling this. We can just do 1,0,0,50, and we can just use the position value to make this lower. So we can just do it like this. I don't know, 90. Like this. And then make this text scaled, and then I don't know, Fudoka 1, and then here we'll just, I'll make this like colorful. Oh my god, that's actually kind of bright on my eyes. That's way too bright. I think that's fine. And then we can just say number/number. A number out of a number. So we need to, okay, so this is what it, and then make this visible to false. And then inside of here, we want the player GUI. So local player GUI equals player wait for child player GUI. And whenever it hits it, player GUI wait for child mining GUI colon wait for child and then here and then yeah, and then text label, or let me name this something more pretty or whatever, more better. Let's make it a little better. Timer display. I don't know why I said pretty. What am I doing? Mining text. I don't know why I said timer display. What the heck? That's so random. Mining text dot text is equal to, and then we could do something like 1 out of 2, and then wait another second, and then 1, and then be 2 out of 2, and then 1, and then 1, and then let's also do 0. Wait 1 second. Zero, like this. And then just use wait to just do it pretty quickly. So let me just mine it. And let's also make it visible. I forgot to make it visible. That's why I did not show. Colon wait for child mining GUI wait for child mining text dot text is equal to no, don't do that. Dot visible equals true. So like this. And then when we mine it, we want to set visible equal to false. Let me just see this. How about let's add weight so it doesn't go instantly? Okay, I think this will work fine. Oh my god, what the heck? No, don't do that. Just do this. Or no, wait. Okay. And I think it's calling this too many times. Let me create it. Maybe I should also create a debounce for this. Local mining debounce equals false. And then mining debounce equals true. And then debounce, I don't know, this is not gonna do anything. What am I doing? I don't know. Yeah, this is not gonna do anything. How about if I should increase this number, so like 1. I think this is too low. So what the heck, let's don't add this. This is so weird. I don't know what I was doing there, but. So mining debounce and oh my god. There's only a real debounce for this. Maybe that's what's causing it. So let's add a debounce for that. Oh yeah, that's what I was doing before. I was adding a mining debounce. Mining debounce equals false. I don't know what I'm doing right now. Wait. Okay, maybe this might work, but I don't know about that. Oh, actually, that improved it a little bit. Oh, this is way too slow. That's way too slow. We need a 3. Wait, 3? Let me just see this again. Or how about let me just make this separate 3 and then I can just do a wait time, like an appropriate wait time, like 1 or 2. It's like this. No, this is working so bad. Let me just see this. Okay, this is getting really glitchy. I don't know what's up with this. Okay, I think it works fine, but that is really weird. I don't know. add everything into here. And then when it's activated, then here we'll put the debounce stuff, wait time. I'm actually gonna show you this after when I fix this because I don't know what let me just figure this out quickly. If debounce, then return end. So we don't call this multiple times. And then let me play, so where we want to play the animation. So we want to play the animation right here. Player dot character dot humanoid load animation play. Let me just test if this works. Okay, I think that works fine. So yeah, that's pretty much that done. So let's actually make some more stuff. Or how about let me add the mind thing. Let me add a leader stats called mind. So we will create a whole local thing for the mind. So we need to get okay. So we need a local server script called mind. And then we need to, wait, let me just fire it. So, oh wait, I said that I was gonna show you this script if you wanted to copy it. So I'm just gonna do this first. I'm gonna show you, this is gonna be the whole thing. If you wanna copy it, I'm gonna give you a few seconds to copy this whole thing because it works well. I'm sorry guys, but yeah, here's the script. Before we start the mind stuff. Okay, so yeah, that's basically the mining script. Yeah, so now what I'm gonna do is let's start creating a leader set. So game.players.player added connect function player. Local leader stats equals instance.new folder, comma player. Leader stats.name equals leader stats. It has to be exactly named that. Local mind equals instance.new int value. So this is because this is gonna be an integer, like a one whole value, so people don't do decimals, comma leader stats. Mind.name equals mind.value equals 0. This should work fine. Let's test if it has leader stats, and we do. So let me go and say game.replicated storage.mind.onServer event connect function player and just player. Player dot leader stats dot mind dot value is equal to player dot leader stats dot mind dot value plus 1. Or we can just say, okay, I think that'll be fine. So we have our debounce little thing right here, and we want to whenever we mine it, we want to add some leader sets to our value. So let's just say, let's just call the remote event from the client script, game the replicated storage colon wait for child mind dot colon fire, no dot, don't do dot, colon fire server, and like that. So we just want to add mind to our value. So add mind plus. So let me just show you what I mean. So we mine this. You see, we add 1 to our mind. So if we add more, like if we added a lot more like blocks, you'll notice that we get more mind. And let me just change the position of where this goes. So maybe let's just do after this. I don't know if this will work well though. Or how about if I just do a little bit better if I, wait a second. Wait, I'm actually gonna make this a little better. How about inside of here? Like this. Wait. So yeah, I think that now I actually made it a little better. Let me just show you this mining script that I just modified. So yeah, this is the mining script. So let me just explain this to you right now. So what I just did is a simple script whenever you press a tool, when you press down the mouse button one click on your tool, then all this code will happen. So whenever it touches something, we want to detect if it has grass in it. Then we want to add some stuff to our debounce. So we have debounce. If debounce, then this makes it so that we only want to do it once. And then this basically makes it so that it can be fired only one time. So we want to set debounce to true, and we want to do all this code where it changes, updates our mining text. And then when we're done with getting all ready, that when we're getting we're mining all of it, like the strength of it, then we want to make it so that it looks like it's getting removed, and then we want to fire the remote event. We want to fire this. We want to basically fire the mind remote event and add a mind. We want to make our mind value a little bit higher, at 1. So it's basically just going to make it so whenever we mine it, after we mine it, we want to a mind value and a mind value and add 1 to it. We want to add 1 to our mind leader stats. So, and then here what we'll do is just make it the mining text visible equal to false. I don't know why I'm so influent today, but yeah. So then we want to wait the wait time and then set debounce to false. And then here the deactivated tool, when we want to run tool.deactivated whenever we stop clicking the tool, then we want to disconnect touch connection. So yeah, this whole script that makes it so that So like this, boom. And wait, I don't really like that cooldown. I think the cooldown is too much. Let's do 1. I think this will work better. Yeah, I think that looks cool. Yeah. So now let's actually add our own grass section. So this will be the basically the grass section, yeah. So we'll have this. Wait, since this is a tutorial, let's don't actually do a grass section. So I'm gonna add more stuff. So we might wanna add like, you know, maybe it's stone. So stone would be a little bit more harder to break. So we're just gonna make stone like, I don't know, this is gonna be so bad. Okay, so like this. So what I'm gonna do is add if, let me zoom in a little bit. So if hit.name equals stone, then, so if it equals stone, then let me just copy all this code here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some more. So here what we're gonna say is player GUI wait for child mining. So what we're gonna do here is add a little bit more, make it a little bit stronger. So I'm just gonna say mining text is equal to 4/ like this, and then and 3. So, and then here what we're gonna say is wait 1, and we want to have add our thing right here, our little thing right here. So our little animation right here, and then 3 out of 4. Let me add 4 to all these. So 3 out of 4, 2 out of 4, 1 out of 4. Wait, let me just see something. Wait, also I'm going to add I'm gonna add 4 out of 4 like this. So then it looks nicer. Well, it looks better. So it will make it visible. Wait, how about if I remove this? I don't know. Let me remove that actually. So mining text visible equals true. And then we want to add a little bit more stronger. So 4 out of 4, then 3 out of 4, 2 out of 4, then 1 out of 4, and 0 out of 4. And then what it does is just breaks. And then it will destroy it. We'll put it inside of replicated storage. So then we can make our respawning thing, our respawning system or whatever. And then wait 1 second and then fire the remote event of mind. Or how about if I just do this? Wait. Okay, I think this is fine. Okay, so fire it and then make mining visible to false. So maybe let's add a number right here. Let's add like, this is how many points we want to give us. Or let's don't do that actually. So whenever we play the game, it should work. So whenever we want to mine the stone, 4 out of 4, 3 out of 4, 2 out of 4, 1 out of 4, 0 out of 4, and our stone has been mined. So as you see here, the same for the grass. Works perfectly fine. Yeah, that's, I think, let's actually just do one more for today's video, and we're gonna do dirt. So this is, guys, this is gonna be the almost the end of the video. So yeah, I'm just gonna make this look like dirt. So after we do the dirt, we'll be done with the video. So let me make this. I don't know. Slate. Where's slate? Okay, here, slate. And then we're gonna call this dirt. And the dirt will be easy. I'll make this the easiest one because the dirt is kind of weak. So I'm just gonna copy this, paste it down here. If it equals dirt, then we want to, what I'm just gonna do is I'm actually gonna remove some of them. So let me just remove it like this. And then after we do this dirt, I'm actually gonna explain the code a little bit. And then we'll be done with the video. So mining text equals 1 out of 1. And then 0 out of 1, play the animation and then remove it. Okay, so that, yeah, I think that should work fine. And yeah, that works. So let me explain this whole script right here. So what we start with is these few variables right here. And whenever the tool is activated, whenever we click the mouse button click, then we want to do all this code. So yeah, I explained all this. And then if it equals grass, then we did our script on the grass. And then let me explain the stone. So what it does is it basically makes it the text 4 out of 4, then 3 out of 4 plays the animation, 2 out of 4 plays the animation, 1 out of 4 plays the animation, and then 0 out of 4 and also plays the animation, and then makes the stone go into replicated storage, waits 1 second, and makes our mined value or our mined leader stats have more value to it. And then, yeah, mining text, it makes it not be able to be seen anymore. Then it will wait the wait time and make debounce equal to false. So, and then and that's the same for the dirt, and I made it very weak, so the mining, so we'll make it true. This mining text equal to true. Mining text is equal to 1 out of 1, and then play the animation 1 second, and then it'll make it 0 out of 1, and then play the animation, and then make the dirt into replicated storage, wait 1 second, do all the point thing, the mined stuff, and make it visible to false. So yeah, that's basically the video. Yeah, this is all we have done today. We've just done the animations and also doing the basic setup of these dirt blocks. So yeah, that's basically the tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Wait, also another thing, I think I should make this can collide false. I think that will make it better so it does not collide. Actually, guys, don't do that. No, that's a bad idea because, yeah, because in a mining game, you would want to make it can collide true. So as you see here, it works perfectly fine. We might add stuff like diamonds. And I also might add a script where it saves. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. The next video should be uploaded maybe in a week or something like that. And I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So stay tuned for the next video. Bye.